thought these little Frontline hero bears that my wife's been making were cute, and I just wanted to share this with you and share a link to the actual pattern for them. My wife has a friend that is a nurse. She's a head nurse at a local children's hospital, and she has 3 young children, and she wanted to make a couple little things for them, and she found this pattern online and decided to make some of these bears. And you can see she's made some changes to the pattern. She's added hair to them, different types of hair, to 3 of them for 3 little girls. And basically they've got little removable face masks, and she just thought it was a cute idea, and kids really do love them. And she, like you've seen in that one video about her yarn wall, she has a huge stash of leftover yarn from different projects, all different colors. So she's been trying to make each and every one a little bit different. So, like I said before, I just thought I'd just share this with you. And if anybody wants to make any of these, I'll put a link to the actual pattern for them. She says they're fairly easy to crochet, and I don't know about that because I don't crochet, but anyhow, thanks to all our frontline heroes during this pandemic that we've been going through. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.